Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Francisco mask filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Tap on the screen for the mask. Okay, so these are the mask. Let me remove this first. Okay, to get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.